open data that is open. Tim Berners-Lee gives the clearest definition of linked open data in distinction with linked data. Linked open data is linked data which is released under an open license, which does not impede its reuse for free. Tim Berners-Lee established the four design principles of linked data back in 2006. First one, use URIs as names for linked data. The Uniform Resource Identifier is a single global identification system used to identify real world objects and abstract concepts as well as to identify the digital location where the object can be found. Second, use HTTP in URIs to look up linked data. Several URI schemes exist to identify the location or delivery methodology: HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, mail to, file, data, and IRC. The HTTP and HTTPS are protocols that simplify the identification of the location and the retrieval of data stored on the World Wide Web. Third, use standard RDF and SparkWell. They use URIs efficiently and support the semantic web concept. We use standards such as RDF or SparkWell. The standard and technologies. The World Wide Web Consortium created standards like RDF, Resource Description Frameworks, and OWL, Web Ontology Language. This formalizes how information and relationship are represented in a way both human and machines can use. RDF, Resource Description Framework. It provides a way to make statements about resources. For example, Paris is the capital of France in the form of subject, predicate, object, triple S. Web Ontology Language. It allows the creation of more complex vocabularies, ontologies to describe categories, properties, and relationship across entities. Ontologies and metadata. The Semantic Web uses ontologies, that is, directories of terms and relationships, and metadata to provide context for web data. This structure allows computer to perform logical reasoning, answer complex queries, and connect related information across disparate sources. 4. Include links to other URI to improve discovery. URI make interconnected data which facilitates the discovery of more information. By interlinking new information with existing data points, we create a richly interconnected ecosystem of machine processable information and context. Semantic Web. So the data acquisition, LD data set access. Semantic Web metadata. Semantic metadata is metadata that describe the meaning and relationship of data rather than just its structure or format. It provides additional context that enables machines and people to interpret data accurately and connect it with other relevant information. Purpose and advantages. Automation. Software can perform more advanced tasks like combining and reusing information from different places without requiring direct human intervention. Integration and interoperability. Data from different sources, apps, and organizations can be linked, queried, and reused seamlessly. Smarter search and knowledge discovery. Search engines and AI assistants can give more meaningful context aware answers thanks to semantic metadata. Benefits of Semantic Web. Improved search accuracy, data integration across sources, automation of tasks and decisions, help in AI, machine learning, and intelligent systems. Real world applications. Google Knowledge Graph, digital personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, healthcare systems with integrated medical data, academic research data linking. Thank you.